Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. In today's video, I want to talk to you about investing in yourself. Y'all let me know how is the lighting and how is the sound, because I'm trying a new setup here and I just want some feedback. But anyway, what I wanted to talk to you today about is just investing in yourself. You know, because a lot of people, they like to have the idea of owning their own business. But when you own your own business, you do have expenses you have to pay. Now, I get it. A lot of people want to do that free stuff, but free stuff costs a lot of time. And our most valuable asset is our time. So you have to pay people to do it so it can free up you some more time so you can have more money to pay them. So don't always try to go out the cheap way. And I mean, I get it. I used to do all that free stuff too, but I didn't get a lot of results and I wasted a lot of time and it set me back. So that's my word for the day. So hopefully this video bless somebody. Hopefully it will. So if it does, please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the channel if you're on YouTube. I know that button is around this video somewhere. So subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share it out. And I'll be back tomorrow with another video, probably from another location. But y'all let me know. I think I kind of like this setup. It's kind of clear. Probably showing a little bit too much. Hey, this is Booker Williams. Y'all be great.